Smokers' lungs versus non-smokers' lungs. Alveoli. The alveoli are located in the respiratory zone of the lungs, at the ends of the alveolar ducts and alveolar sac, representing the smallest units in the respiratory tract. They provide a total surface area of about 75 square meters. Typical human lungs contain about 700 million alveoli, producing 70 square meters of surface area. Each alveolus is wrapped in a fine net of capillaries covering about 70% of its area. An adult alveolus has an average diameter of 200 micrometers, with an increase in diameter during inhalation. When the alveoli are exposed to chemicals from the smoke, toxic particles become trapped inside the walls of the alveoli. Pathogens and particles that are trapped in the mucus layer are coughed out or moved to alveolar macrophages, a type of white blood cell on the surface of alveoli, are another defense mechanism for the lungs. Because of the requirements of gas exchange, alveoli are not protected by mucus and cilia. Mucus is too thick and would slow movement of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The inflammatory response is complex and involves a variety of mechanisms to defend against pathogens and repair tissue. In the lung, inflammation is usually caused by pathogens or by exposure to toxins, pollutants, irritants, and allergens. During inflammation, numerous types of inflammatory cells are activated. Each releases cytokines and mediators to modify activities of other inflammatory cells. Carbon deposits due to smoking will lead to centralized emphysema of the smoker. In this disease, the exchange between alveoli and blood capillaries of the pulmonary artery is defected due to damage of the alveoli so low surface area for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, so there will be low oxygen and high carbon dioxide in the blood, which leads us to the final stage, emphysema or smoker's lungs.